Welcome to another episode of Mondays with Milt. Now today, I'm in Albuquerque, New Mexico. We're at the senior games. And I'm here with one of my teammates, Donnie Goodwin. And so far, we've been doing pretty good.
Pretty well, yes.
All right, so you've been an official for these games, along with playing with us. So what do you think about this tournament?
I think it's we have a lot of good officials here, a lot of good play here. It's just a lot of fun. Having a great time. Elevation's the only thing.
Yeah, Albuquerque we get out of breath a little bit because we are seniors.
More than usual.
All right, so we're in the 60 and over division. Right now, we're 4-0, so we're doing well.
Yes.
And how long have you been playing in this?
In this, 10 years, in the senior games.
Okay, all right. Well, that's what we got. We'll see you next week on another episode of Mondays with Milt.